So we are on a field work, discovering new outcrops that we have exposing, which we can see all over here. We have Zainul. We are all students of BSc Geology. The outcrop in general. What do you think and how do you describe it?
Yeah, so currently we're on a very interesting outcrop. So this is over the Dhadar River outcrop, and if you see the rocks over here, these belongs to the dolomitic limestone, which are in the Neoproterozoic back in the Precambrian. So around we can say 1.5 billion age. So they are very very old. Now this outcrop is very significant in like geomorphologically, petrologically, and also like paleontologically. So first I would want to show you something important in the aspect of petrology. So as you can see, cameraman, you can zoom the conglomerate and the folding of the this rocks. So you can see the conglomerate above the dolomitic limestone. That shows the conglomerate shows the bark formation, which is around in the Cretaceous period, while the below shows the this Precambrian time. So there's a point of angular unconformity, which is like very very old. So unconformity is basically the period of non-deposition of erosion. So that is a very important thing we see in this rock outcrop. And I have another important thing to see. Majorly when we see sedimentation, the beds are like 1, 2, 3 vertically. But over here we see them somewhere at a fold. So we see deformation over here, and that is why this is also very structurally important. I would like to, if you see this, you can see the bed going slant, and that shows a very mega fold. So mega fold, if we like walk more further to the our east side, the 1 kilometer more 1.5, we'll see the other limb. So this is a very mega fold, and that makes it very structurally important. If and I will also go light on the geomorphology over here. So we have some round clast over here. Cameraman can zoom them please. So yeah, you have over here very very fine grain plus round clast of quartzite. So these quartzite majorly coming from the Chapane group. We further went before this outcrop. We went there. So all this eroded stream bringing the high sediment here, depositing it over here, plus the rock outcrop, which you can imagine how much power